So, relax your shoulders.
Relax.
What I need you to do is a nice big breath in, and then breathe back out again. That's about it done. Keep breathing. You okay?
Yeah. She's okay. Keep going.
So, big deep breath in again, and then breathe back out again. That's all the bits done now.
Nice.
Through the little ball on top, and you're done.
See, as quick as that sides.
Excuse me, with a sneeze in between. I tried to stop that one, but it wasn't going to stop. It just carried on going, sorry.
There you go. It's all done, see? As quick as that.
So lie down for a moment,
Yep.
okay? Don't stand up straight away. You alright? Do you want to drink water?
Yes, please.
Yeah.